If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Ford Edge ST in white platinum. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear spoiler, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 21,000 miles on the odometer, Sync 3 communication and entertainment system, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, a 2.7 liter twin turbo V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5514.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.